there, and welcome to this lesson. This is Year 6 English, contracting sentences. So what is contracting sentences? Well, sometimes we can take the really important information from a piece of writing, then write it again in a form we can use more quickly. So if we make notes, we just write down keywords that will jog our memory later. Notes don't have to be complete sentences. So if we write a summary, we rewrite the most important information in complete sentences. So contracting sentences is a combination of writing down important points or notes or writing a summary. Let's have a look at our first question that we have here. So it says, look for the keywords in the paragraph below and choose the best set of keywords from the options that are provided to you. So you have this particular extract here. And once you've read this particular extract, then you can decide which are the keywords. So the Vikings invaded Britain more than 1,000 years ago. They sailed from Sweden, Norway, and Denmark in long boats and raided the coasts and rivers of the United Kingdom. Many also settled here and farmed the land. Vikings lived in houses made from wood, stone, or turf, with a hole in the roof to let out the smoke from the cooking fires. They believed in many gods, but the most popular were Odin, the wise and one-eyed, and Thor, the god of thunder. Now, if you decided, in this case, to look for the keywords in the paragraphs below, that will give you a good idea of what this particular context and paragraph is about. What kind of keywords would you actually go for? Okay, would you go for part A, which says 1,000 years ago, sailed from in and raided the United Kingdom, many settled here, and okay, these are some keywords, but it doesn't quite make sense. Let's look at B. United Kingdom, settled land, Viking families, lived, made, from, with, let, out, the, and so on. Yes, those words are from the extract, but again, it doesn't quite give us that important information that we're looking for. Let's look at C. Vikings invaded Britain, Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. Longboats, coasts, and rivers, farmed, houses, wood, stone or turf, hole in the roof, smoke, cooking, fires, gods, Odin, and Thor. Well, this particular sentence does cover a lot of keywords that are from this particular extract. But let's go to D quickly as well. Believed, many, but most popular were the wise and one-eyed and the god of thunder. So D is only talking about their gods. I would actually go with the option C, because we have more keywords from this particular extract that fit in really well with the extract and the keywords as well, and pretty much covers most of the keywords from this particular extract. So I would go for option C. So have a look at the rest of the questions as well and decide which particular sentences are the most appropriate keywords in terms of contraction sentences for these paragraphs. Thank you.